Okay, so hi guys, Sulek here from Sulek's Marketing, and I'm back with another tutorial video. And today I will be showing you a very quick video on actually how you can remove your background for your picture or your photo without needing Photoshop. So that's the important part, and I'll be showing you two different websites which you can actually get started for free. So let's get right into it. Okay, so welcome back guys to my YouTube channel where I review IT products, cloud-based softwares, teach you how to make money online, and also provide you guys with tutorial videos such as this one to actually scale your business to the next level. And first and foremost, I'm so sorry for not posting for close to a week or so because I actually have a project which I'm working on right now behind the scenes, and I'll be sharing more details on it on this channel very shortly. So do stay tuned for that. Okay, so first and foremost, I have actually chatted enough. So you will just want to type remove then space bg. So this is the first website that I'll be showing you. So just click on this link right here. So www.remove.bg, and just wait for it to load. And this one is actually seriously very easy to actually work. So all you have to do is just sign up for account by just clicking on the top right button, but I think my camera is actually covering it. But then after you do so, you can actually get credits. So what the credits are is that it's like this. So first and foremost, you'll want to upload your image. So what I will do is that I will actually just drag one of my images. So there you go. This will be the image that I will drag. And this was just a trial which I did before, and as you can see, it works really well. And for a free software, this is probably even easier to use than Photoshop itself. It's just drag and drop. That's all you're doing. So just wait for it to actually do its thing. And in the meantime, let me actually show you the second website. So just click on plus. Then now you want to click on remove background Adobe. So this is also very interesting, and it really works very similar to just remove.bg. So it's actually this first one. So free background remover Adobe Spark. So just wait for it to load. And what you want to do is just go down a bit, and then you can actually upload your picture. So just upload your photo. Just click on that blue button right there. And there you go. You just have to actually drop an image, or you can also browse from your device itself. So it's really easy to actually do so. And then let's just check on the image. And as you can see, it has worked quite nicely. And this is where the credits, which I've mentioned first, actually come into place. So if you click on download HD, and the quality is absolutely crisp, so it's absolutely amazing. But yeah, and as you can see, I actually have one credit remaining. And therefore, if I actually sign up for free, I will get this one credit and I can actually download it. But then after you do so, I don't think you'll actually have any more credits. So that's why then you'll just have to download the normal version. But I will say that the quality for the normal version is also really good. So you don't have to worry about it. So actually just sign up for a few accounts so that you can actually download the HD version itself. And then you can actually just reuse these pictures. And one way which I will actually sort of ask you to level up your pictures in your thumbnails is by adding a white background, a white outline to your pictures. So it'll just be covering your picture by a small width, which I'm pretty sure you've actually seen on YouTube itself. So I'll be linking a video right here, and trust me, it's going to really help your image pop up. And so yeah, these are the two websites which I was talking about. First one being remove.bg, and I'll be putting all the links down below, so don't worry about that. So remove.bg, and then spark.adobe.com. So it's as simple as that. And so yeah, that's it for this video guys. Do comment down below if you actually want me to make more of these kind of videos, and what videos you actually want me to make. And also click on the subscribe button, which will actually be popping up on your screen right now. And also check out the white outline video which I'll be putting up on the screen right now. And also click on the bell icon to be notified of when I'll be posting next. And also smash the thumbs up button because it really does help with the YouTube algorithm. So that'll be it for today guys. Sulek here from Sulek's Marketing, and peace.